TikTok Shop listing visibility. TikTok Shop listing visibility is one of the most important factors that determine how often your products appear in search results, recommendations, and user feeds. Visibility depends on how well your listings are optimized for TikTok's search and content algorithm, which favors engaging visuals, accurate keywords, and strong sales performance. The higher your listing visibility, the greater your chances of attracting organic traffic and driving consistent sales. To improve listing visibility, focus on optimizing your product titles and descriptions with relevant trending keywords that match buyer intent. Use high-quality images and videos that showcase your product clearly and align with TikTok's creative, fast-paced style. Additionally, encourage satisfied buyers to leave reviews. Listings with strong ratings tend to rank higher in both search results and recommendation feeds. Many experienced sellers use Helium 10 to boost their TikTok Shop listing visibility. Helium 10 helps identify high-demand keywords, analyze competitor performance, and measure your listing's visibility over time. By combining TikTok's built-in analytics with Helium 10's optimization tools, sellers can strategically enhance product exposure, outperform competitors, and grow their shop efficiently. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to improve your TikTok Shop listing visibility and scale your business like a pro.